So here we are at the workshop, and we're going to take a look at how to do some of the same disaggregation that Julie presented about the homework data if you are in a sheets-only environment. So in order to do that, the first thing we want to do is we want to find out exactly how many questions do they have. To do that, we're going to check, how many different questions were asked here using the unique command. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a list over here. I'm going to go equals, so I call it up. I'm going to use a command called unique. You see it comes up as an option, and it looks for a range. I'm actually checking in column F, so F colon F, and that gives me exactly that. There are three: homework, and there's about the right amount, too much homework and too little homework. Then she went into Countif. Now Countif looks a little different when you're doing it inside of Sheets. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit equals, and you're going to type in Countif, and you do get the option, and you are going to check for range. You're going to check range F, F colon F, and you're going to hit comma, because the criterion you're looking for is right here, and then you close the parentheses. It is going to give you your answer. We're going to do our drag down right here and double check. You can see that the relationships are correct across. And then if we want to, we could actually add a sum at the bottom. The sum would be fairly easy. And then finally, if you want to do a bar chart, you'll click on it, highlight it, hit filter. Sorry, not filter, I apologize. Hit chart. And there is your worksheet. Works pretty much like it does in Excel. So if you are in a Google Sheets only environment and that's what you're stuck with, you can do the same instruction. Hope that helps. Thank you.